In the lower levels, students have access to some amazing free courses, starting with P100 and Barbie. P100 is an all-encompassing starter course for every Tynker user. It includes 6 coding experiences that help build fundamental coding skills like basic sequencing, patterns and conditions, the Tynker workshop, extended sequencing, storytelling, and integrated STEM skills. And with the Barbie course, Tynker foresees a multi-gender STEM future where any student can be anything. Assign one or both of these awesome courses. In the middle and upper levels, teachers have the option of assigning a more challenging starter course called P300. P300 has a fun game design focus while at the same time creating a great place for students to build skills using conditional logic to solve puzzles, physics elements and game design essentials, an integrated math lesson that aligns to standards, their first JavaScript lesson, and their first Python lesson. With P300 and all of our free courses, the lesson planning and presentations are already done. Assign P300 to your students. In the upper levels, teachers can assign a more advanced course called P400. P400 is a course that allows students to create their very own projects using Python, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. Students will create their own art, emoji maker, and photo album. P400 is a fun course that allows students to unleash their creativity while learning more advanced topics.